Hey guys, welcome back to the Nets, the home of unbiased views. So today we are going to talk about the big game and the much awaited game between Chennai Super Kings and the Capitals. So it is basically going to be a teacher versus a student, a man who has idolized the person versus the man who started it all. So hey man, hey Kyor, how are you doing?
Doing good, doing good. So, guys, if you're coming for the first time, please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have been here before, give us a shout out. And this is a channel where we talk about cricket that is played in India, the cricket that is played overseas, just cricket in general. So, big game today, Dhoni and Pant. Um, all these days, we have not found a replacement for Dhoni, and now suddenly Pant in the last 6 months have shown that yes, I am there. Now, the next big thing for Pant would be winning titles, and now he has got his first chance of being a captain. So this is definitely a game that I am looking forward to, just to see the evolution of Pant as a wicket keeper who was making erratic calls, a wicket keeper who suddenly turned into a batsman, started winning games, and now can that player take the next step of leading his side to the finals?
So the interesting point about Rishabh Pant is 6 months has changed everything for him, right? So from the time of he not being the first choice for a batsman, a wicket keeper, to being to leading an IPL, leading one of the top teams in the Premier League. So that has been one of the major that has been so dramatic, which is not even funny. So it will be really nice to see if he can pull something out, and if he can make those calls, and make them win titles. So what's being the game in Bombay, how do you see this going? Because it so Bombay is a flat track. Bombay games will be high scoring games. So Aksar Patel's sitting out because he's not completely fit. How do you see this going? So what
I
are
can see. I will be surprised if Chennai even come close. I will personally be surprised if Chennai comes close. Delhi Capitals have a captain riding on confidence, Rishabh Pant. Then you have all these amazing bits and pieces players that I wouldn't even say bits and pieces players, but players who have been riding on confidence all these last 6 months because they have been performing in and out. You have Kagiso Rabada, you have Prithvi Shaw, who's coming out probably from the best seasons he or anyone has had in the domestic league.
So Rabada, so the South Africans would be Rabada and Nokia would be in quarantine. They're not fit to play. They're not eligible to play the first game. But yeah, as you said, these guys are high on confidence. Prithvi Shaw would be the decision making, would be the difference between the two teams. I think the form that he is in, I genuinely think he is one of those players to look out for the entire series.
So even with Rabada and
No,
Nokia not being in, you still have the likes of Chris Wokes, you still have Umesh Yadav, Ishant Sharma. So they have an amazing backup as well. Delhi has a brilliant core, an actual brilliant core of Indian youngsters and Indian team performance internationals. They are like pretty much on par with what we have seen of Mumbai in the recent past. They have invested in this. Prithvi Shaw, you have Rishabh Pant, you have Shreyas Iyer, who sadly misses out this time around. But you also have Tom Curran, who will, a bowling all rounder. And yes, he had a not so good season in India. But then you probably have the most skillful spinner in Ashwin.
mm-hmm.
And I think it will be an uphill battle for Chennai. Chennai, on the other hand, if you look at where they were struggling last year, it was because they were not able to bat, or they were not able to accelerate between 6 and 13, over 6 and over 13. You had similar types of players with Shane Watson. You had the likes of Faf du Plessis. You had back in the day, you desperately missed Suresh Raina. But I don't think Chennai has taken that next step to improve that. Chennai has not really bought in players who can actually take in and improve from where they were struggling last time around. So I do not really see Chennai improving from where they were. I would be absolutely surprised if this game is even close.
Or it's or Dhoni can pull something off. So that's going to be a one-off. If he strategizes in a bit that he pulls off a miracle, then that's just him. So
Much is expected of Dhoni. I mean, I know Dhoni has done miracles in the past, but we also have to remember that this squad, Dhoni's core, which will probably compromise of Suresh Raina,
mhm,
Ravindra Jadeja, Shardul Thakur, Mahendra Singh Dhoni himself,
Deep
and we will
Chahan.
probably count on Krishnappa Gautam and Ruturaj Gaikwad. This will be the six that Dhoni would probably bank on or invest.
So
Then you
you're
will have
saying
Ambati Raidu,
so exactly. I would
Ambati Raidu
supply
and Uttappa who might switch spots.
so so I don't know if they'll open with Faf Uttappa. Uh, so I genuinely think that Ambati Raidu or Suresh Raina, one of them has to sit out to bring in that balance and that gives them the liberty to play four foreigners. So if they have to play if they have to play Raidu and Raina, they might just go ahead with three or foreigners. So and their form is also questionable. Apart from Uttappa and few other guys haven't played anything, haven't really had a domestic season, or Dhoni's been hitting the nets since the last 2 3 months for the IPL. But I have not seen. I've There were rumors that Suresh Raina didn't join the camp before, a little prior, because he had his daughter's birthday to attend, or some rando birthday, rando reason. So sitting from the outside, I genuinely think that it's going to be a Delhi game. But let's see how things go.
So again, it's going to be a belter of a game, flat track in Mumbai, and I have a genuine feeling. So from what I read right now, Tom Curran and Chris Wokes are both getting a
Abs.
nod in, so
Mhm.
as was expected, and from it's also believed that Amit Mishra will be getting a game as well. So you will have Amit Mishra and Ashwin both playing in. You have Tom Curran as an all-rounder. You also have Chris Wokes as an all-rounder who steps in. So that's two foreign players right there. And I can also be to a certain extent confident that yes, Delhi will also be playing. By default they might have to pick who else is out there with Delhi that can step in. Steven Smith will get a game considering he is there in the middle order, and I think Shimran Hetmeyer might get a game. He will be the explosive middle order push that Delhi
I
might
think
need. So
Marcus.
I think
I genuinely think one of the two, Hitmeyer or Steve Smith, will play, uh, and Stoinis is going to be there.
Stoinis will play.
Stoinis
Correct.
gives that balance. So I genuinely think it's a toss up between Hitmeyer and Smith. But if you play Smith later as you go forward, there'll be time where there'll be Rabada and Nokia coming in. So that is going to be an ego game also, again, wherein you have to make this player understand the fact that Steve Smith has never sat out an IPL game. So if he's in the team, he's always played apart from injury which has hit him. So that's going to be one of, and he is considered to be the greatest of the times, right? So that is going to be an interesting
He's
way to
good when
look
it
at
comes to test matches. I don't think he's as good as people claim him to be in T20s. Australia is going through a massive void. I don't really think he's as good as a T20 player as he is as a test player.
he chips in with the 120 odd strike rate, which I think is okay for. No, you cannot compare him with the likes of anybody in the T20 format. But then he's doing his bit. So, and in general, he's considered to be one of the greatest of the game. So that's all what it is. Anyhow, so when I guess the toss is up. No, it isn't. So, anyways, what do you go with? Win the toss, bat first.
Mumbai track, win the toss, bat first, score on board. And if Delhi bats first, I think they may get 170, 180. If Chennai bats first, I would be happy if they get 150, 160.
Anything more than
But
150,
either ways,
anything more than 150 is a win for Chennai in their head. Let's just put it that way.
I believe no matter what, Delhi is going to win this game. Is what my take is. It will be a surprise if Delhi loses.
On that note, guys, so we'll try and come back after the game and do a post match as well. If you've come this far, please hit the like, please subscribe, please do whatever you can to spread the word out. Thank you. See you guys. Bye bye.